Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about how to enable navigational attribute for BW modeling in SAP BW for HANA. First, I will be telling you the background and then I will be telling you about the steps how to access or how to set this navigational attribute one by one. So first, it is important to know the background for this. Like you want to create a query and there you want to access the navigation attribute. So how can you build the query first? You can build a query on either ADSO or on the composite provider that we call HCPR. And there's a restriction on ADSO. If you are building a query on ADSO, it is not possible to set navigational attribute in an ADSO. So that's the statement. So how can you solve this problem? Then you need to create a HCPR. So first you have to create a HCPR on top of the ADSO, meaning that ADSO will become the path provider of this HCPR, and then only you can access the navigation attribute. So now I will be showing you the step by step how can you build this. The first step is you need to create a HCPR of type union and add the ADSO. You have a ADSO created first and then you need to create the HCPR like below. Here you can see that this ADSO is added in the composite provider. And now you want to use this info object material to the target, and this material is having the navigation attributes. So you have added this material into the target. So that's the step 1. Now moving to the step 2. Now you have to go to the output tab. Once you have added the material, like let me show you that in the target you have just one field material. So you need to go to there are 3 tabs in the composite provider. One is the general, scenario and output. So you need to go to the tab called output, and there you can see that the material is available. So you need to just right click on this and you need to select on the navigation attribute. So once you click on this navigation attribute, it will show all the navigation attribute available for material. So let me just show you in the step 3. So here once we have selected this material, then you need to select the attributes those you want to add into the composite provider. So suppose I have just added the competitor, so you just need to select here and that will be added under this material. So that is the primary all the steps. So in the last step then you can create a query. So now your ADSO is your composite provider is activated. Now you can create a query based on the composite provider that you have created. So in this way you can actually access the navigation attribute. So what is the data flow it should be, or what is the procedure? First you need to have this ADSO created, then you need to create the HCPR based on this ADSO, and in this HCPR you can actually have this setting for navigation attribute, and then you need to create the query based on this HCPR. So this is the right process to enable the navigation attribute by following this process. And as I said in the beginning that we cannot build a query on ADSO to enable this navigation attribute. We need to have HCPR first. So that's all about this tutorial. I believe I have provided the information you need. And please comment below if you have any question or if you want to know more about SAP, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, and see you again with the next video.